how you start the performances. Peaceful naman. Over naman. Ay, full picture. You want photos? Take pictures, I guess. Come on, let's go here. For the photo, UP Town Center. So you have to give your best shot. Let's go!
Thank you so much.
Thank you, UPTC. Yes. Sing ba? Sing? I dance. Again, let's give it up for Gabby!
Oh, parang ang ganda.
Sino ka dyan?
Hindi ka na.
Word.
Kasi cellphone ko na gano'n.
Si Dayan yata kakanta eh. Si Dayan ba kakanta? Si Dayan.
Here we go again. Let's give it up for our office staff.
Pwede na yung mga mamangaba na ng video ko.
Ako nga din. Kaya pala
Sorry.
New album, man. First time ever. You get to tonight. Tonight. New album. First time ever. You get to hear his brand new single tonight. New album. No.
You know I still love you, baby.
Oh, yung ano. Nobody.
Ladies and gentlemen, first time ever. You get to hear his brand new single tonight. New album. Nobody.
You know I still love you, baby. And you'll never change. Have you?
Hello. Oh my gosh! God. Hey! Thank you so much! Give it up for Mom! Show Sabotaged!
and there ain't a man like you.
Gusto kaya? May bangs. Wonder Girls. Eh. Body T, face matched. I picture like you. Ay, ano picture? What? Ay, ah! As I love. Ang layo. Who is that? Thank you. That concludes all our performers for this event.
Everyone.
Okay.
So we have our two top performances. We have Hill and Mango.
Thank you, everyone. I knew I ate that. That was never.
For all the performers. And we are nearing to the end of our program.
Oh, yeah.
And how to make this day even more exciting, we'll be having our raffle draw.
Hindi kasi mali wala ka raffle.
Our program team will now distribute.
Wala na. Tinawag yung pangalan ko Ihi kayo? Ihi kayo, Eds? Ihi kayo.
So while we're gonna do the raffle, our program team will now distribute giveaways as a token of our appreciation. Please remain seated and our team will continue with your giveaway. So everyone's gonna get a token as an appreciation from our office staff.
Kasi di sila mang ganito pag ibibigay ko sila ng gift yung mga taga-office. Ayan. Ano yan sa'yo? Ano yan? Uy, kung Gabi. Ano sa'yo? Eh, mahilig ka pa naman sa crepe. Teaching. Ano nakuha mo kay Gabi, babe?
Okay, is everyone excited for the raffle?
Yes!
Who wants to win the grand
Ewan.
prize? Okay.
Ako naman.
We will
Move on to our raffle. Draw. Are you ready?
Pan.
Okay. Are you ready? Yes. We're gonna go on. Okay, we're gonna start our raffle now. Our first prize is
Hey! Meron ako.
this
Si
rice
Nene.
cooker. Di lang siya rice cooker, automatic rice cooker. Love that.
Siyempre,
So if you're
automatic rice
forgetful,
cooker.
you don't need to keep on checking because it's automatic. Okay, are you ready?
Yes!
Let's go! Our first winner for today's raffle draw is Angela. Congratulations! We hope you love rice. Kasi-
Ano to, be? Ay,
Our
nilagay mo na.
second winner is
Nakasawa ko,
our second winner is
Anong guys?
That's Steph.
Despan.
Here is your prize. Our third winner is Josie.
Josie. Ayun, Josie.
Hi, Josie. Oh, congratulations. Perfect for senior. Our next winner is
Marcus.
Sandra. Hey, congrats, Sandra. Our next winner, Sheena.
Muntik na si ano.
There's Sheena. Hi, Sheena. Congratulations. Hey, our next winner,
Armin.
Arman. Congratulations. Ay. Oh, this is his prize. Congrats, you won a Jisoo Life. Yay, congrats sa mainit na outfit. Our next winner. Somebody needs to Ray. Jisoo Life. Touch. Yeah, congrats, Ray. next one,
Hindi ko nakita.
Zarena. AKA Zeki. Congratulations, Zarena.
AKA Budek.
Congratulations, Zars. Our next winner is Andrea. Andrea, hello.
Andrea. Ayun.
Hey, congratulations. Another Jisoo Live for Cornwall.
She's live.
Our next winner.
Marine.
Rafi! Congratulations, Rafi!
Congratulations. Baka ikaw yung jackpot.
Eh,
Ewan, hindi ko alam.
Dance muna, dance. Dance. Ano yan? Char. Congratulations, Rafi. Our next one is...
Christine.
Congratulations, Christine.
Christine.
Hey.
Yung mukha ni Joyce. Jisoo Live. Ano yun? Yun lang.
Thank you. Congrats again, Christine. Our next one is Hannah.
Hannah.
Ooh, we're just gonna give it to her in the store. Congrats, Hannah. Next
Ilan na
one
lang ba?
is
Hi po. Winnie. Hi po. Di po yun.
Marcus.
Marcos.
Dami ng Jisoo Live sa Hawaii.
Oh, puro Jisoo Live sa
I
Mawai.
can have one. Just kidding. Congratulations, Marcos. Our next batch of prizes. Ooh!
Ayun.
Iron! For clothes. Love that. Our first winner for the iron is... Pat. Perfect for the babies. Uniform. With the iron. Congratulations. Our next
Lahat ng
winner
branch.
for the iron is... Randia. Congratulations! Congratulations, another iron winner. Ooh, wow!
Magkasunod sila. Wala pa.
Pwede na iron.
Motor yung kay Marina yung motor. Yung motor. Motor yung makuha ni Marina.
Hey, Queenie! Congratulations! Matching ulit tayo. Eto. Your gift. Congratulations. Thanks.
Next.
Hey! This is a single burner gas stove. Our winner for this, good luck if you're gonna commute home. Our winner is... Nikki!
Wala, dalawa na lang kayo ni Mishi.
You want this.
Dadali na lang sa store nyo. Lahat naman natin ba? Diba? Oo. Papadala yun. Oo. Ito yung may pinadala sa kanya nung last year.
So, our
Yung kettle na.
next
Pinadala
winner
sa inyo
is
yung kettle. Dun sa store.
Marino.
Ayan na.
Congratulations, Marino.
Si Mishi na.
And Is it here?
Wala si Mishi.
Yeah, she's not here. We're just gonna send it to her sa school niya. Of course.
Si Mishi na yung last.
Congrats, everyone! That was the first batch of our winners. So we have another one. Are you ready?
Ready yun.
I'm just gonna... Hey, our next... Oh my gosh! A blender! We love that. Our first winner for the blender is... Rizzy! Blender.
Thank you so much.
Ay, ganun na. Congratulations! Our next one. Ooh. Oh my gosh.
Dane, Leia.
Congratulations, Leia. You're winning 2 items for today. Auto flask and electric kettle.
Sila mga
So if you love
items.
coffee, this is
Wow.
perfect for you. Love that. Hey.
2 items. Umihi na siya. Kanina pa yung naihi. Kaya sabi ko
Our next winner. Oh my gosh. It's an electric cooker.
Sola.
Winner is Sola. Congrats. Let's go. Next one.
Adeline!
Congrats, Ate Eds.
Oh, meron na naman kayong hair dryer. Bibili na?
Our next winner is gonna win another blender. It is.
Lorian.
Florian, yan, congratulations. With a blender. Wow. Next. Ooh, electric kettle.
Sophie.
Congratulations, Sophie.
Sophie.
Wow. Hey.
Picture daw, Sophie.
Oh my gosh! Our next batch of prizes, air fryer. Congratulations,
Jake. Ano si Ma'am Jake?
Okay, congrats to you.
Nandiyan na pala. Air fryer.
Oh.
Air fryer kay Ma'am Jake.
Oh my gosh! I think it's us time. On the next winner. Yeah.
Dang.
Ding! Congratulations, you
Ayun,
won an air fryer. Ay, okay naman. Our next winner is... Dayan! Gusto ko yung na-excite siya. Sabi niya, yes! Paano yung yes? Paano yung yes? Wow, Elta Hoops. If there's your prize, please claim. Our next winner It's a
Smartwatch.
smartwatch. Our winner is for the smartwatch, Lisa. Ay, Mitch.
Mitch.
Sorry. Oh my
Mitch.
gosh, Mitch.
Ayan din.
Congrats! Kahit kung natanggal sa Garter game, you won this.
Ayan naman last year. Smartwatch din.
Ooh, our next prize is a coffee maker. Yeah.
Coffee maker.
Congratulations, Joel.
Yay!
Coffee pa more.
Coffee ba?
Love.
Yay!
Congratulations, Joy. Our next winner is... Oh my gosh, it's a wireless earphones.
Very good.
Congratulations, Mary Joy. BGC, let's go. Congrats. Our next prize is
Ano yan,
a
Ben?
JBL speaker.
Earpad? Oh.
Perfect. And our winner is
Kumplado ka na. May smartwatch ka na. May earpad ka ba?
Ali.
Alison!
Sound trip ka there with your speaker.
Speaker.
Congrats. Hey. Oh my gosh. The prizes are getting big. An
Oven.
entire oven.
Electric oven.
Oh my gosh. I hope it's Congratulations, may oven ka. Rose. Congrats.
Smile, Miss Rose.
Yeah. Our next prize is we're back to rice cookers. And our first winner is
Ah, ikaw pala. Ikaw tatayo na. Oh, may electric pot ka na. Tapos may rice cooker ka pa. Oh, hindi na rin.
congratulations.
Kompleto ka na. Pwede ka na magsaro ng bahay mo.
This is a water kettle. And our winner for this prize is Johnny.
Go, Ate Johnny. Pwede kang galing sa store. Madali kita sa ano. Ayan.
Yeah, another coffee maker. And our winner for this coffee maker is Bam! Congrats! Gusto ko yung may confetti ka pa. Like, where did that come from? I would love that. Part of the look, I guess. It was a choice. Our next winner, another electric kettle, is
Heart.
Heart. You have to dance to claim your kettle. Ano pa na yan? Congrats, Heart.
Oh, magsanggip ka. Binuksan mo talaga eh. Hirap-hirap ka niyang pagkakas.
We're down to... Oh my gosh. Oh yeah.
Okay, so for the last 5 prizes, the fifth prize here is an oven toaster from Asahi. And then the next prize is a Hanabishi electric toaster. And then the third Okay. The third winner gets a TCL wrap. Okay. And the next one will receive an LG 50-inch TV.
And grand
Okay.
prize!
Now, for the grand prize, you will win an LG 55-inch TV.
Oh, di ba?
Okay. Okay. For the Asahi poster, yes.
Masama loob! Hindi niya inaantay niya yung ref. TV niya yung pagka sa kanya.
Next is, let's see.
Yung ref na, yung ref! Yung ref na, sino kaya yan?
Phil and Lisa. Are you ready? Okay, who will receive the TCL refrigerator? Okay, the winner is...
Congrats!
Eastwood represent. Okay, so
Dalawa na lang.
we'll receive the LG 50-inch TV.
Automatic na yan. Dalawang TV naman yan. Isang 40 tsaka isang 50, isang 55.
Congratulations!
50 tsaka 55. Sila yung nakakawa ng TV.
You are now the owner of LG 50-inch TV. And the last prize is an LG 55-inch TV. And the winner is...
Masama sa isang loob. Inaantay niya yung grand prize. Kaya nga siya umupo doon, inaantay niya yung grand prize. Si Hil, natatawa ko, Hil. Ay, grabe talaga.
Gifts we have prepared for you. They're just a small token to remember today's fun and memorable event. It's an honor to invite the beloved founders and CEOs of our company, Camel Sale, to share the closing remarks for this special event. Let's give them a big warm round of applause as they come forward.
Hi everyone! Sab said, her opening remarks. So this was the year where we opened Ayala Malls Manila Bay, and we also opened Moai. So welcome the Moai team to their first Moai. Thank you all for coming, and thank you all for your beautiful performances and for always participating and being game to join all of the games and activities. We just want to say thank you from the bottom of our hearts for all of the good work that you guys have been doing this year, all the customers that you've been serving, and everybody who's made our brands a part of their lives. You know, you guys brought so much joy to their everyday. So I'm so proud of all of you for all the smiles that you bring to every day that you come into work, and all of the good words that you tell our customers. We always get good feedback about the service of our brands and our companies, and I hope you guys can always keep that up. And I hope 2026 will be an even better and brighter year for us. So continue to shine in everything that you do. We're so proud of you, and we're so grateful for all of you in our team. We hope you like all of your raffle prizes and gifts this year. Hopefully, if we do better, we'll have an even bigger Christmas party this year. So congratulations team on 2025. Yeah, that's it.
Next year I'm gonna sing. Thank you to everybody. Like what Cam said, we're so happy to share our blessings with you because you guys are really the reason for like our success and our growth. This 2026, we're aiming for even more growth, expansion. You guys know some of our plans already, but we want to aim bigger and bigger. Like what Cam said, we want to grow even further. Hopefully, bigger Christmas parties in the coming years. But this is only possible with everyone's help here. We just want you guys to be assured that as we grow, that you grow also. So thank you very much for like a great 2025.
Thank you to everybody who made this Christmas party possible, especially Sabina, Rizzy, and Hill for hosting, everyone who prepared the games, food today, and the prizes and everything. So thank you all so much for helping us out.
Happy New Year.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Ay, everyone's harap.
Let's all gather in front for a group photo. Let's go.
Dito ako sa taas. Upo tayo.
Pwede ako lumukod.
Yung mga naka-skirt, naka-ano sila.
Sakto nga. Sige, dito sa lumukod.
Pwede, nakaganon. Namin sa taas.
May ng bros. Taray? Mamiyan yan! Mamiyan! Ay, ito talaga ka nagkita. Nasabi ko
Ay, Ma'am Sabina!
Hello, vlog. Ano ka?